Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new review of a low-budget mobile camera lens. So, let's get started. Here is the box. Let's check inside the box. First of all, we see a beautiful black pouch. And inside of the pouch, we see a plastic build clip for attaching the lens. Then we see the wide and macro lens. Both sides are covered with lens cap. And it feels premium. The top one is wide-angle camera and the bottom one is macro camera lens. You can attach the lens with clip like this. The build quality is really impressive at this low price point. The pouch is made of artificial leather. And it helps to keep safe the lens from dust and scratches. It is helpful for carrying. The clip is made of plastic, but it does not feel cheap anymore. It attaches the lens with phone strongly. Here is the macro lens, and it takes amazing macro shots. I will give some sample shots in the end of the video. The lens body is fully metal build and looks premium. And this is the wide-angle camera lens. It is also solid metal build, and the output is average quality, not so good or not so bad. Let's try the macro camera lens. Now let's try the wide-angle camera lens. The wide-angle camera takes average quality photos. It covers a wide depth of view, but you can notice the distortion on the edge of the lens. Let's try another macro shot. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.